joker, these things. So we have a pipeline, three things. One is a hyper-realistic joker. One is that acrylic painting, okay, this, and one is the watercolor sketch. So we can make any three of them, and we save this drawing. What day? Maybe we will not continue same drawing every week. Maybe this week we are doing joker. Next week we are doing acrylic still life, or next 2 week maybe we are doing watercolor sketch, something like that. So all drawing is maybe unfinished, so save the drawing every week so we can finish one drawing. And if you want to make a very nice drawing, it takes time, okay. So we save the drawing. Suppose to the hyper realistic drawing you are all save it. So today maybe we are progressing little bit of this. So we are less time giving for watercolor. So let's so we have a pipeline. Okay, so now what I do after that, see here, from here 1 and 2, this is the 2 position I put. Okay, this is the a shoulder bone and the hip bone, like this and this position. Okay, this position is very important. Fine. Understand? Yes. Now in this position we are creating here, okay, this is the here 1 leg, 2 leg, understand, Talin beta, 3 leg and 4 leg. Make sure this line should be straight and this should be straight, but it's a little far from here because this is the back leg, this is the front leg. It should be little distance. Okay, I'm done. Leg not done. Come on. I hope that all of you understand the balance, how the 4-leg animals draw the balance. Okay. Point. If any angle the animals, how to draw. Now is this now start. The basic thing is done. Maybe this is the tail. The basic thing is done. We just add this one. Now I add the characterization. This is a 4-leg animals basics. Okay, so we are going to the next characterization. Okay, fine. So now what I do here, I can create this line. Okay, eyes. Here I do this ear. Okay, this is the ear part over here. Here I do this horn. Okay, horn. So usually we are doing slowly detailing. Here nose, your mouth. Okay, beta. Then come on, mama. Mouth. Okay, this is the neck. You understood how it is coming slowly, nice, basic shape. Pop. Why is it weird? Why it is ugly? The sketching is ugly always, don't worry. Let's try to maintain what I want. Okay, what I show you. It is for the anatomy. It's not for good drawing. It is a unbe focus the anatomy is correct or not, proportion is correct or not. No need this very nice. Ugly is fine for me. Don't worry. Because I am not erasing any line. I want more focus here. Only the perspective, proportion. This is a foreshortening. It's before view. So we are focused here. Just thing is that character anatomy, character perspective and proportion. So if you see as a look wise is not coming good, but the perspective and proportion wise is coming perfect, and that is very important. If you draw is a very nice drawing but the perspective is wrong, okay, the proportion is wrong, so it's a very weird. It looks not at all good. Don't focus the good drawing. Can be understood, beta. Focus the this session proportion perspective. This is very important. This is view. What view it is? It is a front view. Or look at it. Any confusion anywhere, you can tell me. We are going to the next drawing. Study. Yeah. We are going to the next study. Those 3 drawing is done. Sketching is done. Please, I think something. What this is study. Show me. Stalin. Yes, Stalin. The back leg is little leg to the long back leg. This leg. Okay. Understand, Stalin? That back leg. Mama, Nandi shows. Yeah, your leg size is very small. Mama. See, I see the proportion. Focus is trying proportion. Stalin also do the same thing. The back leg is short. Stalin, you and Nandi, the same things are happening because you're not focused that much. See, this is long leg. Otherwise, it's not animal. Looks nice. It's a long leg, and this leg also long, not that smaller. Understand, Stalin? And that long leg. Please focus. You become a strong artist when you understand all anatomy and all. Yes, Sahnavi. Perfect. I love it. Perfect. Perfect is going good. The leg size and height is coming perfectly. Yes, beta. Yeah. Yeah.